Greetings to you all and welcome to the lesson. The subject is communication skills, and we are going to focus our attention on communication networks. Communication networks. In studying communication networks, we will focus our attention on the Internet, Extranet, and the Intranet. These are three communication networks. But first, we will define a network. What is the meaning of a network? Now, a network, candidates, in connection with the computer environment means a link between a number of computers within the organization and outside. That's a network within the computer environment. It is a link between a number of computers within the organization and also outside the organization. A computer network, on the other hand, is a series of interconnected points or channels communicating with each other. And the interconnections of a number of computers, including the peripheral devices at distributed points, is what we are referring to as the computer network. So, in a modern complex organization, you may have many disseminating centers interconnected by various centers. And candidates, in discussing communication networks, we are going to study to define what the Internet is. When we say Internet, what's the meaning of Internet? Because the Internet is a form of a communication network. It is a communication network. Because I'm saying that the interconnection is the sum total of various channels, and it is known as the communication network or computer communication network. So the Internet is the global system of interconnected computer networks that uses the Internet protocol suite, what we call the IP, Internet protocols. So that's the Internet. It's just a global system of interconnected computer networks that uses the Internet protocol suite to communicate between networks and devices. It is a network of networks. The Internet is a network of networks that consists of private, public, academic, business, government networks that range from the local level to the global scope. And it is linked by a broad array of electronic, wireless, and also optical networking technologies. And we can add that the Internet carries a vast range of information resources and services, such as the interlinked hypertext documents, including applications such as the World Wide Web. It may also have electronic mail, telephony. They have also the file sharing and so on. So the basic component of an Internet is a computer network, which is a communication system or communication systems connecting two or more computers at work to exchange information and share resources, including hardware resources, software resources, and data. Internet. It is a network of networks on a global scale. A network of networks on a global scale. It is the global system of interconnected computer networks. It is a global system of interconnected computer networks. All right? It is a global system of interconnected computer networks. That is the Internet. How about the intranet? The intranet. The intranet. This is the internet. Then we have the intranet. The intranet candidates is an internet connection within the organization. Intra. It is the internet connection within the organization. The internet connection within the organization is known as intranet. It may also be known as or be referred to as a system with restricted audience. A system with restricted audience. And through the intranet system, a well-managed and structured information is transferred to selected individuals within the organization. That means that the intranet has access to internet, but the internet has no access to the intranet. That is to say, the intranet has limited or private accessibility. And from the word intra, candidates, intra means within, and with reference to computer networks, it refers to private network within an organization. Private network within an organization. Private network within an organization. That is the intranet. The intranet candidates, in other words, is an internal website that is used in an organization to disseminate business-related information and data to the employees. And in recent years, many companies have been searching for different ways and means of improving employee communication. So the application and the usage of intranet is a practical solution for distributing of materials more efficiently, and that reduces the company's overheads. Then another communication network is known as the extranetwork. Extranet. Extranet. What is Extranet. Extranet. Now, candidates, the extranet refers to an intranet that can be partially accessed by authorized outside users, which enables businesses to exchange information over internet securely. An extranet also refers to an internet spanning the organizational boundaries, which uses internet technologies but is secluded from the public internet. In other words, the extranet refers to a group of websites belonging to independent entities that are combined together in order to share information. And candidates, extranets are used mostly in supply chains to allow for more effective communication along the supply chain. All right, the supply chain. So extranet enables outsiders to work together with the company's employees and is usually open to selected suppliers or customers and other business partners. So an extranet is just an intranet that allows or gives access to limited number of external parties. That is extranet. It's an intranet that can partially be accessed by authorized outsiders. It is an intranet that can partially be accessed by authorized external parties. So these are three very important communication networks. That is the internet, the intranet, and the extranet. Candidates, I hope you get the meaning of the three communication networks. We've defined an internet as a global system of interconnected computer networks. An intranet, we've said, is an internet connection within an organization. We've also referred to it as a private network within an organization. Extranet, on the other hand, is an intranet that can allow for a few authorized external parties. Okay? And that brings our today's lesson to a close. We'll give you one question. Define the following communication networks. 1, internet. 2, intranet. 3, extranet. That is your today's assignment. Make sure the assignment is done. When answering the question, please ensure that you don't directly refer to the notes. Try and see if you can recall what we have learned from your memory. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.